Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete TikTok account permanently. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can tap on settings and privacy at very last, and here you can now tap on account, and after this you can see the last option, that is deactivate or delete account. Tap on it. Now you can tap on delete account permanently. You can just simply select the reason that you want to delete your TikTok account permanently, and after this you can now tap on continue, and this is the way you can delete TikTok account permanently. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.